Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the brand new stamp set from Stampin' Up! Called Dandelion Wishes. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I have a piece of Whisper White thin cardstock and I'm inking up the dandelion image with my smoky slate. I've stamped off to create a softer color, and then I used my marker to color in the stem of the dandelion. So I have a finger dauber here and I'm using Balmy Blue to ink up my sentiment and Coastal Cabana. These two are new inks from the catalog. Then I just took my finger and kind of removed a little bit of the Balmy Blue from the top. So it has a graduation from lightest to darkest. And I have a Coastal Cabana here. For my card base, I used Fast Fuse to adhere it to the card base, and that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.